Ayo, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on that bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Alright guys, so in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys the Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0 that I bought from eBay with the authenticity guarantee service. Alright, so let me open this box up for you. And it came with the receipt, and it's funny because this was actually purchased here in Toronto, Canada from a Foot Locker. And you know, I just think that's kind of funny because I could have literally just went to that Foot Locker and just bought the shoe for retail, but you know, it's whatever, man, it's whatever. All right, so let's put this aside. So here they are. Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0. Alright, so let me take out one shoe. Alright, here it is. There it is. Let me give you a good look of this. Alright, so, you know, a lot of people were complaining about this, saying like, oh, I don't like the leather quality, I don't like how it looks, you know, because the previous Shadow 1.0 that were released in, I think, 2018, they were saying that that one had better leather quality than this one. But the thing is, if you expect the same leather quality for all Jordan 1s, you're gonna be disappointed. I don't know, maybe they just wanted to change it up a little, you know, so I think that's what they did. I personally like how they look. I'm not a hater. So yeah, I think they look good. Alright, so right here we got the eBay tag, and if you take your phone and just hold it over it like this, it's going to take you to a website that looks like this. It says authenticity guarantee right there. Alright, so it does come with extra gray laces if you ever want to change them. By default, it comes with black laces on them already. You know, personally, I think I just like how the black looks. You know, I don't know if I'm ever gonna use these, but maybe I would, because you know the option is there. So you don't have to change it up, but if you want to, you can. But I'm just saying I prefer the black laces on them because you know it looks very basic, but it looks good. Alright, so on the right shoe, the stitching looks pretty good. I'm going to give you a 360 look of it. Looks pretty good. But I did notice this very small glue stain. I don't know how well you can see this on camera, but it's really small. It doesn't bother me too much. You can also see some over here, but it's probably hard to see on camera. It's very small. It doesn't bother me too much, you know. But if you were one of those people that get bothered by these small details, this might be a problem for you. But for me, I think it's fine. You know, it's no big deal. It's gonna be on my feet, and nobody's really gonna see it until I point it out. So you know, it's all good. All right. So on the bottom, we got a nice Air Jordan 1 sole. It's just the regular Jordan 1 sole. They all pretty much look the same. This one's a black one. So this is what it looks like. You've seen this a million times. So yeah, that's that. And on the inside of the shoe, as you can see, it just says Nike Air. Again, we've seen this a million times. You know, pretty much every Jordan 1 shoe has this. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my review of the Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0. Let me know in the comments below, is this a cop or drop for you guys? Let me know, I would love to know in the comments below. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of the Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0. And if you did, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. If you want to keep up with me on my socials, I'll put them on the screen and I will leave them in the description below. And if you want to join my Discord server, I'll also put the link to it in the description as well. So guys, thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later!